So, hello everyone and welcome back to a new scrapping video. We'll be scrapping me and it's scrapping things behind me that I'm gonna scrap. You got it? So, we are ending the year of 2021. So I hope 2022 are gonna get a lot better. Also on Thursday next week we're gonna start my new year with a working interview, so I hope I really get this job. Little small rock falling down because I've been unemployed for a very long time and now I really need some kind of extra job or whatever to make me a little bit feel better and more happier. But today everyone, we are gonna do the microwave and I'm gonna scrap it and I'm gonna have some fun as well. So this is the microwave I'm gonna scrap. It's a brand of Eid line. Never heard of it before. We have a nice board with some clock, buttons and so on. This is already empty. When I found it, I emptied it. And it's really quite heavy, so there's probably a quite big transformer in it. And I don't know if they are Chinesium or if the copper, but we're still gonna scrap this one because I need this part. Then we're gonna check if this one is stainless steel or not stainless steel, magnetic and not magnetic. So yeah, let's pop this one and see what we get inside. I do already see here some copper. I'm gonna show you in a second. Now it's time to bring my, as I call it, twisted sister. I named it before because this microwave is quite heavy and I don't wanna ruin everything, which means I can turn the microwave at the same time as I'm scrapping it. So yeah, this is what I'm gonna do now. So we're gonna start from the side. We have one screw here. I don't know yet if the screws are stainless steel. So but we'll check that in a moment. All right, some special screws over there, of course. Okay, let's see what the kind of screws we are having. It's metal. But the thing is, down here we have two screws, kind of torque, and it's the special one with a little pig on side. So I need this torque with a hole in the center. I have it, so I'm gonna bring it. Before I open it, I'm gonna show you. So I don't need to bring the bag and so on, but I'm not gonna show you when I take this apart. I have to do it manually, so stay tuned. So I have removed the two screws. Right. There we go. Put the weight over there. And let's see. What kind of material this is. It's steel. So now that problem solved. We can remove that one. So what do we have here? Here we have the transformer. And as I call this one, I call this a Megatron. I know it's not the right word, but I think I like to call it like that. So here is the copper. I saw another one from the smaller transformer to the fan. So we have some brass contacts. There we have the plug for the power. if I can somehow break it out. No. So let's see. First, you need to remove the contacts. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. So we start with the circuit board with a nice copper. We have some brassy contacts. Then we have the copper from the fan. Probably a little bit copper maybe inside here. Otherwise it's gonna be like steel aluminium. So I'm probably just gonna remove the copper. And I want to remove this Megatron, as I call it. Remove the contact. Get off. Come on. Thank you. And as you know, we have some nice magnets inside. We have some brass. And we have some copper inside there. And also some copper from this part in the center. Now I need to remove this part down here. I'm gonna leave because I heard that those can be really messy to mess with, so I'm not gonna play with those. And we have a screw there and a small screw there, and I can remove that part. Then we have the lamp and also the and the circuit board I need to cut off. But first I need to remove all the cables. So I think I need a smaller screwdriver or bit for that one. So I have found some more screws and removed this one, so let's pop this. We have some few tactical switches, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 tactical switches, and on the other side we have some switches here with some copper. Could be also some silver button inside. We have a small transformer. We have also a crystal oscillator, and pretty much that's it. Not so much fun in this circuit board, but still some pieces. This is the part from the lamp that's fall off. Looks like it's kind of brass thing inside. I guess it is, but I still need to pop the plastic. And let's switch this over to remove the transformer. It's probably gonna be like the other ones, gonna be 50-50, one copper, one aluminium. But if you're lucky, you have 2 copper. If you're unlucky, you have 2 aluminium. But it's quite heavy, so I guess it could be actually copper. It's really heavy. So, rest of it, go away. I'm not gonna bother. So, what's your guess? What is your guess? Let's do some scratching. Bugger. One of them are aluminium. Probably the other one as well. I just need to get into that. And that looks pretty much to me aluminium, I think. Or need to cut a little bit more, but I think it's aluminium, this one actually, because when I saw it, it's coming silvery color, you see. So yep, this is an aluminium transformer bugger, but it's a good one actually. Just do some nugging on the side here and it pop this part, and I can take the aluminium out, because for me it's more worth to take out the aluminium and sell it as aluminium than sell it like this. So yeah, this is it. We got this transformer bugger. It is aluminium. Then we have this Megatron, and then Magnetron. You can see that, Magnetron. We have this copper from the fan. We have the other one from the circuit board. And we do have a little bit small of the cables. So that is what we got this time from this microwave. And well, yeah. Thank you for watching. This is what we got from this microwave.